In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in Jira Cloud. Whether you're performing some routine cleanup, or perhaps you realize that a task is no longer relevant. Knowing how to effectively delete a task is a handy skill to have. We'll break this down into a simple process, and by the end of this video you'll feel confident managing your Jira tasks. To begin, let's make sure you're logged into your Jira account and have navigated to the specific project where the task you want to delete resides. Once you're in the right project, take a moment to locate the particular task you wish to remove. This might be as simple as using the search feature or scrolling through the task list if you're more familiar with the layout. Once you find the task, click on it to open its details view. This will allow you to see all the information related to the task, including who is assigned to it and any attached comments or files. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the task details view. You'll find an icon consisting of 3 dots, often referred to as the actions menu. When you click on that, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Delete. After selecting Delete, you'll want to confirm your decision when prompted. You'll need to click Delete again in this confirmation screen. It's important to remember that once a task is deleted, it is permanent. Double check that you aren't removing something that might be needed for future reference. Now let's explore the process of deleting multiple tasks at once, which is useful if you're doing a spring clean of your backlogged tasks. Start by holding down the Control key on your keyboard if you're using Windows, or the Command key if you're on a Mac. While holding it down, click on each task you wish to select. This allows you to highlight multiple tasks simultaneously. Once your desired tasks are selected, right-click on any of them. You'll see an option that says Bulk Change. Choose this as it initiates a batch operation on all selected tasks. Among the bulk change options, there will be a choice labeled Delete Issues. Selecting this will guide you to follow several prompts designed to ensure you're confident and clear about this bulk deletion action. Read each prompt carefully and confirm when you're ready. To conclude, understanding how to delete single or multiple tasks in Jira Cloud enhances your ability to manage projects effectively, keeping your task board relevant and uncluttered. I hope this guide has helped demystify the process, making your experience with Jira smoother and more productive. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy project managing.